Today, I'm gonna explain a social phenomenon in China called 同妻, which means gays' wives. They are usually straight women who have married gay men without realizing their husbands are gay. I believe this problem is more severe in China than in Western countries because of social opinions. People judge whether you are married, whether you have children, and whether you are the same as the others. Difference sometimes is conspicuous and abnormal. So some gays choose to marry and have a child with a woman, even though they love men, mentally and physically. This could be explained by game theory. Suppose here our player 1 are gays, who can take action to marry or not marry a woman, and player 2 is the society, which can be homophobic or unprejudiced. It's straightforward to understand gays' utility. As for the payoff of player 2, I want to take Harsanyi's idea of social utility. This theorem tells us that social utility of state A is a weighted sum of all individuals' utility of that state. To simplify, I will only include gays and gays' wives' utility in social utility. Then we can construct a normal form game. When the society is homophobic, gays will choose to marry a woman because they don't want to be under social pressure, so payoff A is greater than E. When the society is unprejudiced, gays have no self-justification, hence payoff C is less than A. They will not marry to avoid compunction, resulting in G greater than C. For player 2, when gays choose to deceive, suffering of innocent victims will lower social utility, so B is smaller than F and D smaller than H. The reason why D is smaller than B and F smaller than H is that decreasing gays' utility lowers social utility. To make it clearer, I assign some numbers to represent this payoff, but they only have ordinal meaning. We can easily find two Nash equilibrium: homophobic society with fraudulent marriage and unprejudiced society with no victim. Obviously, the second one is a better solution. This suggests that creating a more comprehensive society can bring parallel improvements, and defending the freedom of LGBT people are not just for them, but also for other potential victims like gays' wives.